In this video, we're going to make your business email, your business signature, and your social media more presentable. What's up, guys? Welcome to Build, Hire, Fire, a channel dedicated to helping owners design their business to run without them in 3 simple steps. Build systems, hire a team, and then fire yourself. If you are an entrepreneur that is wearing all the hats in your business, subscribe to this channel because we create content around those 3 categories. Also, click below to join our private Facebook group where you can connect with entrepreneurs just like us. One of the things that we really don't pay attention to is how we present our business to other businesses or to our customers. Little things can make a huge difference on both the positive and the negative side of the perception of your business. So in this video, I want to tackle just a few of those things that can help make your business just be a little bit more professional and present yourself and your company as a business that should be taken seriously when it comes to dealing with B2B or B2C. First big problem that we want to tackle is business email. One of the worst things that you can see when you're dealing with a company is their company name at Gmail, at Yahoo, or at AOL.com. Hopefully not, but not having that business email, it's not a big deal, right? It's not something that's going to make or break your business. But when it comes down to the perception of your business, because you can provide like an amazing service or you can have an amazing product, but it's just that little, your business at gmail.com, it's not bad. Once you purchase your URL, Namecheap is a really great website to help you start to create those business emails. Another great website is Zoho.com, Z-O-H-O. And once you have your URL purchased, you can create as many business emails as you need through Zoho Mail. Accounting, info, customer care, all those types of emails can be created through Zoho. Now that you've bought the URL, you set up your business email and it looks great, you@yourbusiness.com. Now let's work on your business signature. The business signature is not just a way to say goodbye. It's a great opportunity for you to show your face, so they can put a face to the email. It can also have necessary information, phone number, address, social media, and maybe something, fun about you. But the business email signature is the bow or the cherry on top of the business email because it packages everything together so well. It shows that you've taken time and effort in creating, not just, your business email, but your business email signature. So I'm going to share with you a great website that is going to help you to create that professional looking business email signature. The website that I'm talking about is called WiseStamp. It's a great tool to help you create that business email signature. You can add a photo, social media, you can add links, all those types of things. The last thing I'm going to touch on is going to take a little bit longer, but not that much longer because I don't want this video to be too long. But we've already set up your business email. We set up your business email signature. Now let's talk about your social media profile for your business. So we're going to start with the name and the page name. And there are 2 different things if you don't know that. There's your @ name, which is at your business, and then there's your name right beneath that. And a lot of times the mistake that we make is it's at my business and then below at my business. The name of the page can be optimized for the product or service that you provide. So you can keep at my business, but below that, put in some keywords that are going to help people find you on Instagram because it is optimized. So if at your business is a manicure or a massage studio in a state, you can put city massage therapist. Or if you are a social media manager, you can put city social manager, or whatever your industry is, whatever your business is, you can optimize your name beneath your @ name so that people can find you on Instagram. Beneath that is the description. Your description should be really to the point. It should say who you work with, what problem you solve, and then how you solve it. People should be able to read that elevator pitch and know exactly who you are and know if you're a page that they need to connect with or if you're a service provider that they need to purchase from. Within that description, you also want to give them a call to action and a reason to click the link in your description. And a good way to get them to click the link in the description is to say something like learn more and create maybe like an emoji or something pointing down to the link in your description. If your service requires them to book you to come to their house or, walk their dog or something like that, you can just write above the link, booking, click to book, or click to schedule a free session, or download free ebook, or give them a reason to actually click that link in the bio versus just having the link there. Later down the line, I'm going to show you some better options for having that link in the bio that are technically free, because a lot of services, they let you use it up until a certain point, and then you have to start to pay just to see analytics and things like that. But there is a really great shortcut that's going to let you create a great link in the bio. If you're already paying for a website, it's not going to cost you anything else. I hope this video was really helpful. I'd love to create a culture where not having a business email or a proper business signature is frowned upon, because I think it's just something that we take for granted as, okay, who cares about that? But if there's a difference between, getting this deal and that deal, you want to make sure that everything is in line as far as how your business presents itself. And the same thing goes for social media. It should be clear, concise. There should be, it should be properly branded. And all these things make a difference because it shortens the customer's decision making, because they don't have to worry about, it was at gmail.com. I don't know if I can give this company $20,000. But it does make a really big difference to have those things polished and looking great. If you have any questions about any of the sites that I mentioned, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to, respond to every comment. Also, don't forget about our private Facebook group where you can connect with me and other entrepreneurs just like us. And we also share some great content there that is not on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.